Hi, dear friends. Today we'll be speaking about conditional formatting again, but with a specific case. And today's case will be about how to hide region names when they are sorted in region name. So when you see that we have region name, and when I sort these by alphabetically from A to Z, for example, I want to hide, I don't want to see these repeated region names. So I actually want them hide. And here is a trick, how to hide them. You can use white font by applying to the text of each cell. What I mean is that when you select these region names and go to the font color, you just pick up white, and actually they are hidden. So how can we do that with the help of conditional formatting? Now let's see. Actually, we'll use very simple formula. We'll say that, okay, my A2 cell should be equal to the cell above, and I press enter. So if they are not equal, the result will be false. If they are, then I will get true, which are the repeated cells actually. So that's why I will use this formula inside the conditional formatting. First, we choose our range. We go to the Home ribbon, select Conditional Formatting, New Rule, use a formula, and I just paste my formula here. So I say equal this one, but be very attentive. Don't use any dollar signs because it will fix this only to A2 cell. That's why I press F4 until dollar signs are removed. And I say that A2 equal to A1. And I go to Format button, say that my font should be equal to white color, and press OK. And OK again. And now you see that, okay, they are actually hidden. So as simple as that. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.